Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to read one of our weekly readers for our reading lesson today. So if you could grab that out of your stack of supplies and have that ready, that would be great. If you need to pause this video while you get that, you're welcome to, and then come right back. We are going to get started. Here is our weekly reader, and the title says, A Heart Full of Thanks. And here she's making her heart hands. On Thanksgiving, which is coming up very soon, just in a couple of days, we are thankful for things we love. What does that feel like? You get a warm, fuzzy feeling in your heart. And I know you all are very loving. You get that warm, fuzzy feeling all the time, I'm sure. Let's start with the video. The video is going to kind of get us thinking about the topic of our weekly reader and what we're going to be reading about today.
Have you ever stopped to think about things that make you happy? Like going to the playground, or eating pizza, or hugging your favorite stuffed animal? When you notice and appreciate the things that make your life better, you're being thankful. And there are many things to be thankful for. Some are big, and some are small. You can also be thankful for people who take care of you and make you feel safe. They help you feel better when you get some they play with you, and if you listen to you, appreciate them and be thankful for them. Also be thankful for beautiful things in nature, like a shimmering pond or a vibrant sunset. Doesn't it feel good to be thankful? When people are thankful, they are more generous than they do. That's why we show gratitude. One way to show gratitude is to say thank you. It's really easy to do. It makes other people feel great. You can also write a thank you note or draw a thank you picture. Another way to show gratitude is to go out. For example, if someone speaks to you a meal, ask if you can help make gratitude a list. Thank you for joining with things you're grateful for. Of all the good stuff in your lives. Because being thankful makes us feel good. And when you show gratitude to others, it makes them feel good too. So the next time you feel like you're feeling look around you. You might be right that affection and that's something to be grateful for.
All right. So as we read today, we're going to keep that in our mind, things that we're thankful for. That's how we're going to make connections with our story today, which is what good readers do. As we open up to the inside of our weekly reader, we have a lot of boxes there talking about how we can feel thankful for things, or some things that we might feel thankful for as well. As we read, we're going to do some of those strategies that we've learned about those things that good readers do to help them understand what they're reading. We're going to look at sight words. We're going to take a picture walk. You're going to help me use our eagle eye to figure out some tricky words, as well as lips the fish when we get our mouth ready to read the words using that beginning sound. So let's get started. My heart feels thankful. And already when I look, I see a lot of sight words. I see I and I see a in there. Again, I see the word my. I see the word and. I see my, and down here I see are. So there's good. There's some sight words in there. They're going to help me out when I'm reading this. And then using my eagle eye, I see there's a boy under the covers reading a book with a flashlight. That's fun. And then I see it looks like a family here having a dinner, some friends playing with a doll, and a girl waving hi to maybe her parents or her grandparents, someone far away because it looks like she's on a computer. So as we read this, I'm going to read it the first time. Each box I'll read it, and then I would like you to choral read. We're going to kind of echo and choral read together. So I'll read it, and then I'll go back and you can read it with me. Okay, follow along with my little pointer here as I read. I read a book in bed. My heart feels thankful for great stories. Okay, now read it with me. I read a book in bed. My heart feels thankful for great stories. Good job, everybody. Let's try the next box. I have a yummy dinner. My heart feels thankful for good food. Now you read it with me. I have a yummy dinner. My heart feels thankful for good food. I like how this blue part, the blue words here, repeat in each box. That makes it a little bit easier when there's a pattern to the words that I can follow. Let's try the next box. I laugh and play. My heart feels thankful for friends. Your turn. I laugh and play. My heart feels thankful for friends. And the green box. I talk to my grandparents. My heart feels thankful for family, even when they are far away. Your turn. I talk to my grandparents. My heart feels thankful for family, even when they are far away. Good job, everybody. And I know that you were doing such a good job staying with the pointer. We want to make sure that we're reading the words that are there and not just making up our own words. Okay. Down here, we have a big word to learn. It is grateful. I remember in the video, she said that being grateful is another word for being thankful. So let's see if we're right here. Grateful is another way to say thankful. Yes, we remembered from the video. What are you grateful for? Well, before you share out your ideas, I'm going to let you try some of those reading strategies we've talked about. Use your eagle eye and use lips of fish and see if you can figure out the words. What is this word right here? It could be dad, but I noticed this word starts with an F. Family. Family. Did you think family? That was kind of a tricky one. Let's try this next one. Cat. Oh, wait. It can't be cat. That's a dog. And it starts with a P. I'm going to stretch this one out. Pets. 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 Pets, because not everybody has the same pets. Good one. Next, a whole box full of toys. Yep, toys. That looks right. That looks like toys. And this one, that looks yummy. Food. Food. Okay, you try this one. This one's a little bit tricky. I see a lot of supplies, scissors, folders, pencils, crowns, but this word starts with an S, and I'm pretty sure I've seen this word before. What do you think this word is? School. School. If you said school, you were right. Oh, and this one's tree. Does that look like tree? No, that does not look like tree. I'm glad I looked at the word and didn't just guess. That word starts with an N. What could that word be? Do you know what you think it is? Nature. Nature. Ooh, they tried to trick us on this one. Let's go ahead and turn to the back. And remember, you can go back and reread this anytime you want a little bit of extra practice. On the back, it says, things I am thankful for. Say the word for each picture. Then we're going to click on the beginning sound. And they did the first one for us here. This is a book. Book starts with b, so they colored in the B. Now I want you to think about the next one. House. House. What does house start with? What do you hear at the beginning? What letter makes the sound? H. Good job. How about cat, cat. Well, it could be C or a K, and there's no K down here. So let's go with C. Good job. Here we have a jacket, jacket. Ooh, that one could be a J or it could be a G. But there's no G, so I'm gonna have to go with J. What do you think about this one? Flower, flower. Which sound do you hear at the beginning of flower? F, f. Yep. F, good job. Dog, dog. What do you hear at the beginning of dog? Log, no. Dog, quag. Oh, yep, it's a D. And leaf. There's lots of those still in my yard. Leaf. What do you hear at the beginning of leaf? Yep, it's an L. O-O-L. Sun. Sun. S. If it was a T, it'd be ton, and Z would be zun, and those are just silly rhyming words. And here we have toys. What do you hear at the beginning of toys? Yep, it's a T. Good job, everybody. Awesome work reading today. Please don't be afraid to go back and practice reading that to someone at home. Also, I would like to challenge you to make some connections to this weekly reader that we read today. Tomorrow for our morning meeting, I'd like you to go and find something in your house or someone in your house or outside in nature that you feel thankful for. Something that you have noticed that makes your life better. I'd like to take some time to share those in the morning, so make sure you find something to share. Great job reading today, everybody.